welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. If you're new around here, my name is Jess and I am mummy to my two beautiful daughters, Olivia and Freya, and I'm also a little bit of a home interiors addict, as you're going to find out in this video. So in this video, I have got lots of lovely springtime decorations, accessories, trinkets, whatever you want to call them, to share with you. As I am a big fan of decorating my home to match the season. I don't believe that decorating your home should only be for Christmas. I think that it is something that you can do throughout the year, and after Christmas the next big thing is spring, which is why I am going all out with the accessories, and I'm really excited because it's also going to be Freya's first birthday soon, so springtime just feels that little bit more special for us this year. Alongside, you know, spring is lovely, like the sun starts coming out more, the clocks go back here in the UK and the bulbs start blossoming and all the baby animals are born. It's just such a magical and lovely time. And plus, spring always means that summer's coming, and that just makes me warm inside and outside actually, because I'm looking forward to getting some sun on my skin. So, I won't waffle on anymore, and I'm going to start showing you some of these accessories. Some are things that I have purchased in previous years and some are new. I will do my very best to link everything in the description box down below, so if you would like to shop anything, you can go and find a link down there. Right, let's get on with it. So you may have seen in the corner of the screen here, this wreath. Now, how gorgeous is this? This is the Queen Anne lace wreath, I think it's called, from the White Company. I've had this for a number of years, and every year I just get it back out again and I pop it on my front door. I love having a wreath on my front door. I think it just add something to the door, especially like just when you come home and you see it there, it makes me smile. So I need to take my current winter / Christmas wreath down and pop this beautiful spring one up. You can see the flowers are just so pretty and delicate on this very sturdy wicker wreath behind. It is faux, so it is something that you can bring out year after year. I also think the White Company still stock this, so yeah, you'll definitely find a link for this down below if they do. Sticking with the White Company, as I just think they have the most gorgeous selection of accessories, especially this time of year. It's lovely. And one thing that I do love to have in my house at spring is a candle. Well, any time of year actually, I just love a candle. But this particular candle is stunning. It is the botanical candle from the White Company, and it's so pretty. Look at that gorgeous detailing. I've just popped it on one of their candle trays that you can buy. I have already lit this as I used it in my other video, but the smell is just incredible. I had it burning as well for a number of hours and it's really not made a dent in it at all. So yeah, I love it so much. So this is going to be burning quite regularly throughout this season. And one more little spring accessory is this from the White Company again. It is a mister, I think it's called. It's not necessarily a spring accessory, but I really love it. It's perfect for kind of just giving your plants a little like spritz, but also the beautiful glass detailing makes it look lovely, like if you're doing some shelf styling or anything like that. And that's really what I'm going to be using it for. It's going to be just on display in my kitchen and possibly in my new utility room when that gets done. Watch this space. Utility room makeover is coming soon, so you may see that in there. Another little object that I love, and it's perfect for having out in the spring and again any time of year, is this. This is a just like a twine holder. It's wooden, it's beautiful, it's from the Suffolk Nest, and I really love it. It came with the twine, and then it has like a little cutter here in the top, if I can show you. So you kind of get the length you need, and then you just pull. Let's see if I can show you. and it just cuts it for you. It's brilliant. But not only that, it also just looks great. Like, it has lots of lovely detailing, and the wood itself is a lovely colour. So this again is perfect for some shelf styling, and also just using if you're tying up some flowers that you may have cut from your garden and creating a bouquet or anything like that. This would be perfect to use for then. But for me, this again is going to be one of those things that I have on the shelf, probably in that famous utility room that's coming soon, or here in the kitchen. So I have two more things to show you, which are spring accessories, and they are flower based. One is real and one is faux. Now, starting with the real one, it's this here. Now, this has been growing for a few weeks now. It's some Mascari bulbs that I've popped here in this gorgeous pot. This is a kind of concrete effect pot. It's from Neptune, and I just love it. These are so versatile. I have a number of these, and they just work beautifully any time of year with whatever you would like to put inside. So I've just popped some Mascari bulbs that I've then covered with some faux moss from Hobbycraft. Actually, you can get real moss, it might look better, but in my opinion, like, I think that looks great. I just think it does the job, and yeah, they look super pretty. I like to have these on my windowsill, or I just have them on the side in the kitchen, and they add just that little touch of spring inside the house. Like, I have got lots of Mascari growing out in the garden at the moment, like I can see the bulbs coming up, but I love to bring the outdoors in. So having this as an option and having them in the home growing is lovely. And plus the girls get to have a look at them. Freya not so much, she's not interested, but Olivia loves to sort of have a look and watch them grow. And she's always amazed each day by finding new buds that have come out and seeing how tall they are as well. So moving on from the real flowers to the faux ones, starting with these here. These are some kind of like cherry blossom stems that I picked up from Dunelm. They were £3.50 each, and I just think they are great. They're really, really tall. Like, I'm not gonna be able to show you on the camera, but they must be just over a metre in length. And they have these gorgeous little cherry blossoms on them, and they're kind of like a faux twig. They look great, and they were a really good price. So I picked up 4 of those for a display that I'm going to be putting together. So my plan is to team them with these faux flowers here, which arrived today. These are also from the Suffolk Nest. I will link Ashley's website below. I picked up these beautiful pussy willow stems, again, really beautiful, and they look so realistic. They actually look much nicer than even the real pussy willow. Like, I just love them and the colouring. They're a good length as well, and they will go really nicely in the bouquet with the cherry blossoms. And then to accompany them and to make the statement, I splurged a bit, and I got these magnolia stems. Now, these are stunning. They have these beautiful intricate flowers on them, and once all kind of sprayed out, you're going to get a really good effect from these. They look so real. Like, the twigs themselves have got this kind of like green on them, as if they've kind of just been on the tree. If you are so lucky to have a magnolia tree in your garden this time of year, I'm so jealous, because I love driving down the road and seeing them all in bloom. So to be able to have them in my home and for them to look so realistic as these do, yeah, I just can't wait to get them out on display and put the bouquet together. So you can see all of those together there, like that. And these are all going to be going in a fantastic vase, again, which is from the Suffolk Nest. And I love a statement vase. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I have a huge vase display in my kitchen, and I love to change it with the seasons. So I haven't bought a new vase for a really long time, reason being Matt always tells me off, as there's really no room for these things to be stored. but whatever. I needed a new one for my spring flowers and my summer flowers, and I went for this one. This absolute beauty, look at that. So it's quite big, but it is the most gorgeous color. It's like a lovely cream color, but it's also got like flecks of gray in it as well, so it will go with the kitchen and everything else, and I just can't wait to fill this up with those flowers and have it out on display for this year. It's gorgeous, I love it so much. So as it is spring, there also comes the wonderful time of year that is Easter, and I love Easter decor as much as I love spring decor, and I have a few kind of little Easter eggs and bunnies that I wanted to show you. Starting with this guy. So this guy is he has been many places with us actually. He was with us at the old house. He is a concrete little rabbit, and I just love having him out. He looks so smart and so proud, and he will probably be on a shelf, no doubt, or maybe on one of the sideboards in the living room. But yeah, he's one of those oldies but a goodie. Then to accompany him this year, I also got these. I got these little rabbits. I actually bought two, but sadly one has lost an ear. I'm just gonna glue it back on. But these are just little ceramic rabbits that I picked up from Hobbycraft. I think they were £1 or £2 each. And they are just so cute. So these would obviously be great for doing an activity with the kids, like you could decorate them and make them their own. But for me, I just love the simplicity of them, and I think they'll look really sweet styled up on my shelves, or again on the sideboard or something like that. But yes, I got those too. And last year I purchased these little guys. I love these. These are from the White Company, and they are little egg warmers. So cute. We don't really tend to eat many boiled eggs in this house though. I do, but no one else does. So I'm not really sure what my plan was when I bought them. I think I had visions of both my children cracking open an egg or something like that, but it doesn't always happen that way, does it? So I might even pop like a cream egg under these on Easter weekend, and yeah, that would be something that Olivia would enjoy. So I just think they're really cute as well, and they've got these little cute bunny tails on the back. The White Company, I don't think are doing them in grey this year, but I think they have them in cream. So if I find them, again, I will link them down below for you. Another little thing from the White Company are these. How sweet are these? These are little jute eggs with bunny ears. You get 2 of them, and I think they are super cute. Again, not really sure where they're gonna go, but I just really like them. So I might hang them off a door handle, or I might find some branches or something that I can hang them off around the house. No doubt there's many, but I think they are really sweet. I might even pop them in the girls' bedrooms just to add a little bit of Easter in their rooms. Now really, I am not sponsored by the White Company in any shape or form, but again, these are from there, and I've had these for about 2 years now as well, but they have brought them back again this year, and it's these. They have these little speckled eggs and some glass hearts. I think they have glass eggs this year rather than hearts though. Again, I'll link it if I can find it, but I just really love these. They're so delicate, and I am amazed that they survived a house move without getting broken. But I love these mainly for hanging on my floral display that I was telling you about with the magnolia stems. These hang really beautifully off the cherry blossom branches. I did something similar last year, so I know the look that I'm going for. And these just, yeah, add that little bit of Easter touch and look really, really cute. And one last thing that I needed to share with you are these. So these little ceramic chickens or hens, I love these so much. I bought these last year from Layered Lounge, and I think they're super sweet. They remind me of Chicken Run. Now I don't know if anyone has watched Chicken Run, or a members chicken run, but yeah, they remind me of that so much. And I just love having these on display on my windowsill, and they just give me that little like Easter feel, but without the rabbits. So it's quite nice to have something, I think it's nice to have something different. So yeah, these I really love. And that brings us to the end of this spring accessories video. I hope you have really enjoyed it. I have loved sharing with you all of my little bits and bobs that I've collected for springtime. I will insert some footage at the end of all of the items situated in and around the house, so stick around for that. But for now, from me, it's time to say bye, and I will see you all again really soon. Take care.